Hey, what's up, guys? So right now is definitely a time where I'm really grateful to have countermeasures. You see, since last week, my son has been sick, and we've been doing our best to just keep him healthy. You know, he's been staying home, not going to daycare. We haven't been getting a lot of sleep at home just because he's been up at night crying and unhappy and in pain and vomiting. I just got another fresh shirt on. And there's been medication shortages in a lot of the drugstores. But we definitely first have to call around to a lot of drugstores to see if they have things like, ibuprofen or Tylenol or whatever. In any event, we took him to urgent care yesterday because he wasn't getting better. Looks like he's got an ear infection. And due to some of the medication shortages, I had to drive across town to get some of the medication. And I was like, we really need to get this stuff for him. And yeah, as soon as we figured out what we needed, my mom came over to help watch our toddler. I hopped in the car and went to go pick up the extra medication. And that is where I can say it's definitely useful to have countermeasures when you really need them. You know, it's not a situation where you would call an ambulance necessarily. I'm not calling an Uber driver to go get it. Like, I'm going to go get that for him. And so I got a little bit of time right now while my wife is watching him. We ordered lunch. That's on the way. And I quickly, I guess, just wanted to share some of the Cyber Monday stuff with you guys. Maybe feels a little silly talking about this, but I really want to hook you guys up with some of these deals. I thought Cyber Monday would actually be really similar to Black Friday, but I actually am seeing some additional detectors discounted that weren't on sale for Black Friday, plus some of the detectors that were on sale before. The prices have actually come down even better than they were for Black Friday. Now, you guys know the drill. Link in the video description. Head on over to our website. It's all posted there. But in this video, I wanted to quickly run through some of the highlights for you guys in case you haven't checked it out yet. So diving right into things, I posted a video going over the different Black Friday deals. So to save you guys some time, since I know most of you guys have seen that already, I'm just going to go over some of the changes here. So as far as Cyber Monday, I still got my recommendations right up here at the top as far as my favorite picks as far as different deals that we've got going on right now. I've also added a new section here for the different Cyber Monday deals that are different or better than Black Friday. Again, just to save you guys some time. So we've got some discounts here on the Rodenso DS1. That's gotten cheaper. The Whistler Titan is now on sale. The Escort Max 360C Mark II is on sale. And the Cobra Dual Pro 360 was actually more on sale, but that's been sold out. Anyways, if we go ahead and quickly run through things. Again, we've still got some really nice deals here on the Uniden. So like the R8 and the R7, for example. And same thing here with the Uniden R4, the non-Aero version. Now, one of the nice new things is the Rodenso DS1. It's actually cheaper now than it was during Black Friday. And if we pull this up real quick, you'll see that I've got links here to a couple different places. I've noticed right now Amazon and Best Buy are the two places that are offering more of a discount. We'll pull up Rodenso's site here real quick as well. And on Amazon right now, you'll notice it's down to $329, which is awesome. It was $399 for Black Friday. It's now $70 cheaper here. And the same is true here on Best Buy's website as well. You can get the same discount there, $140 off. Though I've noticed if you go to Rodenso's website, this is still $399. It's not $329 like it is on some of the other sites. And so for that reason on my site, I've even added this additional detail here. You can see the deal applies to Amazon and Best Buy, and I've even just pointed that out here. The brand new Escort Max 360C Mark II, that's now $50 off as well. This is a detector that I think is really promising, has some initial issues at launch, but Escort is actively working on them. If you want to pick it up, it's $50 off here for Cyber Monday. And I've also been noticing some of the deals that are now expired. So like the MaxCam 360C was $100 off for Black Friday. That deal is no longer valid. I did see temporarily the Dual Pro 360. That was on sale for $299. It was $150 off again. That was a really nice deal. But when you go take a look online, that deal is now completely sold out. So I'm keeping the website updated for you guys, but this stuff does tend to expire eventually. Then the last new thing to point out is actually the Whistler Titan. This is pretty cool. It's now on sale for $297. That discount doesn't apply on Amazon, but it does apply on Whistler's website, so I'm going to link you guys directly here. So if you're looking for a detector around the $300 price point, this is a pretty solid pick. And then as for the dash cams, this stuff is pretty much the same as what we saw for Black Friday. I've also added a section here for the VFO Cyber Monday deals. They've got some dash cams up to 43% off. This does expire today, the 28th, so if you want to take a look at all the different dash cams, they've got some really good ones that I haven't covered on my page, like the A229. I really like this. I reviewed this recently. Great dash cam. Same thing with the VFO A119 Mini, single channel front only dash cam, or the T130, a 3-channel dash cam. These are on sale as well. If you want one of those, you can pick it up here too. I have been noticing that their MSRPs that they're slashing the prices from, this is not the actual price that it's being discounted from. This is inflated to make the deal look better. But nevertheless, this is definitely still a much better price than you'll see from traditional pricing when it's not Black Friday or Cyber Monday. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention that is new, the Escort M2 Dashcam, this is now $50 off here for Cyber Monday as well. So if you go take a look, it's normally $200. You can now save $50 off the price of the Dashcam. And this is a Dashcam that's designed to attach to the windshield mount, the suction cup mount, for your different Escort windshield mount radar detectors. So if you want a 1080p Dashcam, one mount, one power cable, this Dashcam is now $50 off, and you can pick it up through today. As far as accessories, this stuff is pretty similar. So like a Dashcam battery pack for parking mode, you can pick that up. The memory card prices have been fluctuating by like $1 or so I've been updating this for you guys too. And then at the very bottom, there's some miscellaneous Cyber Monday deals I've been seeing. So things like the newest GoPro, the Creator Edition, the Google Pixel Watch, if you want to pick those up. It's $150 off now for the GoPro with the microphone and the light, if you want to do like vlogging or selfie type stuff. And it comes with a selfie stick to hold the GoPro, which has a battery built in and converts into a tripod, which is pretty helpful too. And for you Android guys, if you want a Google Pixel Watch, they're $50 off for Cyber Monday. Looks like this deal ends kind of at the end of today as well. And then at the very bottom of the article, feel free to leave a comment and let me know what you guys wind up picking up. I'm really curious. You can either post it here at the very bottom of the article or in the comment area of this video as well. And so, yeah, that's it for now. If you guys like something, you want to pick it up, awesome. There you go. Always happy to hook you guys up with a good deal, especially in this day and age when prices keep going up with inflation and all that kind of stuff. Definitely nice to pick stuff up on the cheap. Other than that, got to get back to it. Taking care of kids, it's nice to be able to like take little breaks as needed and still get a little bit of work done like this. But I guess that's life, you know, being a parent, having a family, all that kind of stuff. But anyways, thanks for all the well wishes. I know I posted some of the stuff on Facebook and on Twitter, that kind of stuff. So thanks to all the kind words for you guys. But yeah, that's it for now. Hope you guys are doing well, and I'll see you in the next video.